Hello. Today it's a self-treatment day. Unfortunately, I got a sore throat and I'm starting to cough. So I decided to do a bioresonance for myself. And I'm very glad because, as you can see, the bioresonance immediately picked my sore throat. When I go, and it also went deeper into the tissue, so I've got an easier job to find what is the problem. So I will follow what the bioresonance indicated, and I can see, okay, there are already the first active bacteria here. For example, this one, almost this one. When I work on it, it will be probably more. I will find more pathogens, but I will have to spend some time on it. So the first ticked box is my throat. Then I'm looking, and yes, as expected, you can see in brown it showed my bronchus, and I assume it will be, I can go deeper and there will be some pathogens. So I will do the treatment again, Streptococcus lactis, Bacillus cereus, quite a lot. So no wonder that I'm feeling not well. And I'm also very glad that I did this bioresonance because I already checked and I've got the same bacteria in the valves of the heart as in my throat. So of course I will do the treatment for the heart. This is probably the reason why so many people, or not many, but people that don't rest, go to work, go to the gym, don't give time the body to heal, may have problems with the heart a couple of weeks later. So you have to be careful. I will do the treatment for my heart as well. And in Chinese medicine, the lungs are connected to the intestine. I would say my intestine is not 100%. I can feel some problems. And yes, you can see here in black colors, it showed a problem in the area. And I'm glad that it went deeper into the tissue. I can check with my bioresonance again what bacteria, or for example here Ascaris ascaris, I can check. So it's a parasite and quite strong. So I will definitely do the treatment and follow up by some deworming. I can check also is an indication what could be the reason for the problem. So I will take some probiotics as well. And I can do later the treatment with phytotherapy, so with the energy of plants. I can, for example, see what plant is it. I don't need to eat it, but the bioresonance picks up the ideal frequency of plants, of crystals, stones, and sends to your body. And I think that's it. So I will address the two main areas. I'm glad probably tomorrow I will be back to normal. So I will take some vitamin C, higher doses, some zinc to support the body. I will probably not go to the gym today as I planned. Just some precautions, and with the bioresonance I will see, I know, an improvement probably within 2 hours. So I thought this is interesting as the flu season, everybody has some sort of cold. So I just wanted to show you how I do the treatment for myself. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.